Before starting this video, press the subscribe button and press this bell icon to get my first notification in your mobile.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today I will tell you how to have famous YouTuber Amit bhadana ringtone in your mobile. So first you just take anyone's video, like I'm taking my friend's video, and for example I'm taking a video and just download it. In this all the ringtones are there. So that's I'm taking this. Just click so let's let it download it, this one video. Download this video. Wait for 2-3 minutes. I'm downloading it by SnapTube. So it has came. I'm just downloading it. So it has been download. Sorry, it's being download 1 2 3. It has been download. So you should have this one app, video to MP3 converter. Just go there. Sorry, I have downloaded this in MP3 only. Just go to sharing. Sorry, just go back and in video MP3 converter, audio cutter. Just click here and this one I'm taking Amit bhadana ka best ringtone. Wait. I'm saving it. Just put it in click on ringtone and ringtone change. It will show, and let me show you in shading. Sound my ringtone. Just I'm clicking ringtone, and card one ringtone is my card one ringtone is, it will show. Now it is my this one. So friends, subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video.